Did you know that organizing your kitchen can be done on a budget with just a few items from the dollar store? Today, we're diving into some clever kitchen organization hacks that you can implement easily and affordably using items from your local dollar store. Many people struggle with cluttered kitchens and find it hard to keep everything organized, especially when working with limited space. We'll explore various inexpensive hacks, such as using baskets for food storage, labels for pantry items, and drawer organizers to maximize space and efficiency. The highlight will be a demonstration of a DIY project that transforms a chaotic kitchen corner into a beautifully organized space using just a few dollar store items. We'll recap the key hacks discussed and emphasize how easy it is to create a more organized kitchen without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more budget-friendly tips, and let us know in the comments which hack you plan to try first.